trenders on Yahoo Finance: Lululemon, Starbucks, and Broadcom. Let's kick it off with Lululemon shares moving to the upside, now up just around 9.5%. Very strong numbers here from the company in its most recent quarter, beating on both the top and bottom lines. Revenue coming in at $1.9 billion, adjusted EPS $2.20. The company also boosting its full year guidance. That's why we're seeing the stock up just around 9.5%. Taking a look, though, at a longer term chart, the past 6 months, it's been a tough time for retail. Lululemon off just around 6.5% year to date. Those losses escalating just a bit, off just around 25%. So we'll see whether or not the momentum that we're seeing after hours carries through to tomorrow's opening bell. All right, let's get to Starbucks, an important name to keep in mind here after hours. The big news, they've named a new CEO, Laxman Narasimhan. He's taking the helm, taking over from interim CEO Howard Schultz right now. Stock moving up just a bit, up just around 0.4% now, actually, in negative territory. Now, Narasimhan stepping down as a CEO of Reckitt earlier today. He will join Starbucks in October, take over as CEO on April 1st. But again, Starbucks has been through a pretty tough time over the last year. We have seen losses in the name off just around 27%. Rounding it out with Broadcom, another name reporting after the bell this afternoon. 4Q revenue forecast beating the street's estimates here. Sees $8.9 billion. The estimate was for $8.7 billion. The CEO saying that he sees, quote, solid demand here into the year-end quarter. Chip sales, a standout for the company, up 32% year over year to $6.6 billion. Strong quarter. The past 3 months, though, has been a bit of a different story. You can see the stock off just around 14%. Certainly, the sector at large has had a tough time this year. Broadcom, since the start of the year, off just around 26%. But again, that strong guidance number moving shares of Broadcom here higher in after hours.